In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Mailto email link in Dreamweaver. A Mailto link is a simple way to let visitors contact you with one click. When someone selects it, their default email program opens with your address already filled in, so they can start typing right away. It's quick to set up, and it keeps your page clean and user-friendly. Start by opening the page you want to edit in Design View. Design View lets you see your content as it will appear in the browser, which makes it easier to place the link exactly where you want it. If you're currently in another view, switch to Design so you can work visually and avoid editing raw code. Next, decide where the link should live. You can position your cursor at the exact spot where you want the email link to appear, or you can select existing content to turn into the link. Many people highlight a short phrase like "email us" or "contact support" because descriptive link text helps with both clarity and accessibility. If you prefer to make an image clickable, select the image instead. With your cursor placed or your content selected, go to the top menu and choose Insert, then Email Link. This opens a small dialog box where you'll set the details. In the text field, type the words you want visitors to see. If you selected text before opening the dialog, Dreamweaver will usually fill this in for you, but you can change it here if you like. Keep it clear and concise so users immediately understand that it's an email link. In the email field, type the address where messages should be sent. Double-check for typos. One wrong character means you won't receive messages. Many teams use a general inbox rather than a personal one, so the right people can respond consistently. When everything looks good, click OK. Dreamweaver will insert the link for you and format it as a standard Mailto link behind the scenes. In Design View, you'll see the link text styled like other links on your page. When a visitor clicks it, their device will open the default Mail app with your address pre-filled. A quick note: because Mailto links expose an email address, they can attract spam. If you're concerned about that or need more control, a contact form is often a better choice. And if you ever need advanced behavior like pre-filled subjects or body text, you can extend Mailto links later. But the basic approach you've just learned is perfect for most cases. That's it. You've added a clean, functional email link in Dreamweaver in just a few clicks.